Good morning, students. This morning, I want to show you how to get your photographs ready for the transfer painting project that we're going to be doing. We are going to use Photopea. It is an online photo editor, so you do not have to download an application. Do, though, download your photographs that you want to use, or make sure it's in your Google Drive. I like to make sure it's in my downloads folder just to make it a little bit easier. So you're going to find Photopea in Google. So Photopea, and we're going to open that up. You can also type it in, photopea.com. It's going to bring you to this screen. I'm going to go ahead and choose File, Open, and then select my image. I'm going to use this image of the cats I had. All right. So I'm going to be doing 3 things to my image. 1 is to turn it into black and white. 2 is going to be to mirror the image. And 3 is going to be adjusting the size. So to make it black and white, I'm going to choose Image in my menu here. Go to Adjustments, Black and White. There are more complicated ways to do this if you want a little bit more control, but I think for our purposes, this is just fine. If you want, you can kind of play with the settings a little bit, see if you can like change the contrast a little, or you can just go with what it gives you. All right, I'm gonna say okay, and then we're gonna flip it. So once again, we're gonna go to image. This time we're gonna go down to transform, and we're gonna choose flip horizontally. And there we go. Now when the image is attached to the canvas, it's gonna end up looking correct. All right, finally, we're going to change the size. Again, in the image, up there, image size. We're gonna work in inches because our canvases are in inches. I'm gonna choose 10 inches width. I'm gonna prioritize the width of this photo. And if I click off of here, as long as this little lock ratio exists, it's gonna change it to 7.47, which is a little bit smaller than 8 inches, of course, but that's fine. Since it's background, I know that I can fill that in with my imagination, either some more wall or more of the fabric. If I didn't want to do this, however, and I wanted it to cut it off vertically, or sorry, horizontally, I'm going to choose 8 for the height, and then it's going to make this area, the width, a little longer. Then I can kind of just choose that for my picture when we go to attach it. You'll see what I mean when we do the project. But for now, I'm going to stick with 10 inches. Click off of there to make sure it changes. All right, and I'm going to say, okay. I can zoom in on this. All right, that looks good to me. I'm going to go ahead and go up to File. I'm going to export it as a PNG file. We're going to say Save. And now that image file is ready for you to upload to your Canvas assignment. And I will get those printed for you before we do the transfer in class. All right, guys, have a great day. Let me know if you have questions about this, because there may be things that come up that I didn't anticipate in this demo. All right, have a great day.